A very good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine. So, in today's session, we are continuing with chapter 3 HTML. And please open your books, page number 90. On page number 90, you will see the topic that is a document structure in HTML. How to prepare the document in HTML and in which version? It is 5.0 version. Because 5.0 version is having different document format. So writing a program in 5.0, we will need to write the code in opening and closing brackets, that is sign of exclamation DOC type HTML. What is the meaning of DOC type HTML? It will specify that which version we are using for HTML. Because generally we are using 2.3, 3.0, 2.0, 3.0. But here we are using 5.0. When we are writing DOC type, it will directly represent that we are using 5.0 version in HTML. Afterward, we have written HTML lang. Lang means to say language. Which language we are using? So language value is EN. EN represents English. It means we are writing in English language program and we are writing in 5.0 version. Afterward, in head we are writing meta char set UTF-8. What is meta char set UTF-8? Meta char set is a character set that will convert the alphabets and symbols or encode the alphabets and symbols. So meta char, it defines the character set that is by default in HTML version 5, it is UTF-5. It means it is a character set that will do the code encoding. It is used for web page encoding and the value of meta char set is by default, that is UTF-8. Afterward, rest part is same. Title will start, title will close. Afterward, head will close after title. Then body will start, body will close, and HTML. So this is the basic structure of HTML 5.0 program. Next is HTML editor. HTML supports two type of editor. One type is WYSIWYG. Second is text editor. What is the meaning of WYSIWYG? What you see is what you get. It means you can directly see the specific output and you can directly get the same output, and it is possible with the help of Dreamweaver and Microsoft Edge front software. The reason is that if you want to apply the WYSIWYG editor, in that case a user should not have a specific knowledge about HTML program. A lack of knowledge user can also use this type of editor. But if the user is having the knowledge of text editor, a user having the knowledge of Notepad and WordPad, in that case a user can use WordPad and Notepad editor. It is the text based editor and it is the graphics based editor, because Dreamweaver and Microsoft Front Edge both are the graphic software that are used by the person who is not having proper skill of HTML. If person is having proper skill, in that case text editor is used, that is WordPad or Notepad. Now next topic is how to create a HTML document. For creating a HTML document, we can follow the following steps. Step 1. You have to open the Notepad. For opening the Notepad, you will click on Start button. In Start button, you will select all programs. You will select the accessories option. In accessory, you will get the Notepad option. Again, Start button, all programs, accessories and Notepad. Afterward, type the text in Notepad. Whatsoever Notepad window will be open, you have to write the text. You have to write the program. And afterward, you have to save the program by selecting the option File and Save As. And Save As can be performed by two methods. You can give abc.html or either you can give abc.htm. So HTML and HTML both can be write with a program name, and after saving the program you have to open the file in browser. Browser can be any browser like Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla, any browser you can use. So step 1 you can do, step 2 is this one. HTML, in HTML you write the head, in head we will write the title. Title we have written the first program, my first web page. It is the title that will be displayed on the top positions. Like see the output window. Suppose this is the output window. In this output window, title will be on the top position. It means it will be on the this position, and it is written that my first web page. It is title. After title will be closed, head will close, then body section will start. In body it is written, this is my document. It will be written in body section. This is body part. This is my document. It is the output of program. Body will close and HTML will close. This is our first program that is visible on page number 91. Now, next topic is different HTML tags. HTML support basically 4 types of tags in a program. First is HTML, second head, third title, fourth body. What is the use of HTML tag? HTML tag will define from where the program will start. So it tells the beginning of HTML document. It means it will not affect on program. It will tell the starting position of program. Next is head. Head, it defines the document header. It defines the document header, and it contains the information related to the title and different styles. It contains the information related to the title and different styles. Title, it contains the heading, title of a program. It contains the title of a program. Title means to say heading of a program, what's written on the top position. That is title of a document. And body is the major part of HTML program. It contains the all contents of web page that will be displayed on a web screen. It means whatsoever is displayed in web screen, either it is table, either list, either any document, either any paragraph, either any line, that will be entered in body tag. So this is the basic tag structure of HTML program. Next topic is on page number 94. It is attributes of body tag. A body tag can support total 8 types of attributes. So first type of attribute is a link, second v-link, third is background, next is link, fifth is text, top margin, left margin, and bg color. Now what value will be provided in this attribute? A link means active link. That link is active for click. A link contains the value of color. It can be red, green, blue, any value. So a link contains the color. Same is for v-link. V-link means visited link. After clicking on a particular link, what will be the color of link? This will become the visited link. Like you are having a link Google form. Before click, what is the color of this link? That is active. After click, what is the color of link? That is known as visited. After click or before click? After and before. Next is background. Background can be any image, so we need to give the address of an image, that is known as URL. URL full form is Uniform Resource Locator. We will give the address of an image where it is stored. It will take the address of specific image to open it. Next is link. Link means the link by default what it is of which color. So by default it is of blue color if we are not giving any color, but we can change the color of link by giving link color is equal to any color name we can give. But by default if we are not giving any name, that is of blue color. Text attribute will define if we are writing anything in body tag, what is the color of text, what is the color of font. So we will give text is equal to color name. It means body text is equal to color name, red, green, blue, whatsoever you are giving. The text will be displayed of which color, and by default it is of black color. Next is top margin. Top margin means to say how much space we want to give from top. How much space we want to give from top position, that will in the form of value, like we can give 200, 300, it is in pixels. So this is the space that is available for top margin and left margin. Top margin is also space, left margin is also space. Left margin from left side, top margin from top side. Now BG color. BG color will contain the background of an web page. If you want to give the color at the background of image, at the background, then we will give bg color is equal to any color name. Now one more thing, if bg color and background both are given, then what will be applied? If bg color and background is given, then what will be applied? In that case background will be applied, bg color will not apply. It means it will show the image, it will not show the color, because bg color cannot be displayed if it is given. If it is not given, then bg color can display. So background will be displayed as a image background of your program. So this is about your body attributes. Now we are going to start with programs related to these attributes. Next we are discussing about background attribute. Now open your book, page number 95. In this program we have used one type of attribute that is related to body, that is background attribute. What is written in this program? Body background is equal to flower.jpg. What is written? Body background equal to flower.jpg. It means it will display the background with this image. This is the URL. And in next line what is written? Font size is equal to 6, color is equal to red, and face of monotype cursiva. It is the attribute of font, it is not the attribute of body tag. So what sir will write? It will be of size 6, color will be of red color, and it will display the font type, that is monotype cursiva. And what will be displayed? HTML is a platform independent language. Now you can see the output on page number 95. On the top, HTML is a platform independent language is written, that is of size 6, color will be red, and face will be monotype cursiva. And background you can see it is of flower type, because we have given the background image as a flower.jpg. Now come to the next attribute, that is bg color attribute. What is bg color attribute? That will contain the color and background. It means we don't want to give any image, we want to give an color. So it is on again page number 95. Different colors are there like red, green, blue. We can give the color names or we can give the color codes also. But generally we are using the color name. See on page number 96. Program number 2 is given. Program number 2 contains body bg color equal to blue and text is equal to white. What is written? Body bg color equal to blue, and second attribute it has used, that is text equal to white. So what is the meaning of this tag? The meaning is that the background color of image, background color, it means bg color will be of blue, and what sir will write, it will be displayed in a white color text. So the output will be displayed like on page number 96. Hello world will be displayed as white color, and your background color will be, it means background of the image, it will be of blue color. It will be like this is the output. Here it is written hello world, it is of white color, and that area will be of blue color. This is the output of page number 96, second program. Now come to the next program. Next program contains the attribute, that is link, a link, and v link. Active link, visited link, and link. Three attributes are used, and all will contain the value that is of different color. So if you are looking at the program number 3, page number 97. On page number 97 program is given. See the program, what is written? Body link is equal to blue. Body link, it is of blue color. And V link, that is red. a link that contains yellow color. That contains yellow color. It means the link is of blue color. After visiting the link, it will become red color, and before visiting the link, it will become yellow color. Now see the output of this program. In this program, three types of links are given. One more attribute is written, that is href. href is written. What is the meaning of A? A means it is a anchor tag. It is anchor tag, and the meaning of HR is, that is hyper reference, that will contain the address of any specific website. Like as per example, it is given ahref equal to www.goelbooks.com, and afterward it is written Open Goel Brothers Prakashan. Same link is for other, it is google.com, third is yahoo.com. Now see the output. When you will run this program, first link will become, that will become Open Goel book link. Second, it is of Open Google, and third link, that is of Open Yahoo. Now see the output, what will be the effect. Three links are there. So when the output will be displayed, all three will be of blue color. When we will bring the cursor on google.com, when we bring the cursor on this link, what will happen? The color will become active, it will become of yellow color, and yes, rest will be of blue color. So when we will bring cursor on this link, it will become of yellow color. Suppose I have clicked on Open Google. So what will be the effect? In starting it was of blue color, afterward it converted into yellow color, and after click, it means after click it will become of red color. Before click, yellow, blue. On bringing cursor, it will become yellow, and after clicking with cursor it will become red color. It is the output of this program. So three colors are there. Blue is link color, yellow is your active link color, and red is your, that is your visited link color, that is given in program number 3 on page number 97. Come to next program, that is page number 98, program number 4. If you see the program number 4 example, in that two attributes are used. Which one? Top margin and left margin. One attribute is used as top margin, and second is used as left margin. What will be the format that we will write for top and left margin? It will be written like body, top margin, any value we can give as per program. The value that is given in this program, that is 50, and left margin it is given 40. So what will be the output of complete program? If you run the complete program, it will take the space from left side, top side 50 characters. It will take the space from left side 40 characters. It means if output is displayed in this box, it will leave space from top, it is of 50, and it will leave space from left side, it is of 40. And here it will start the output, and the output will be displayed like, first it will display the paragraph. Before paragraph, one heading is given, that is H3. H3 is a type of heading. So it will display the heading. Afterward it will display the complete program by giving space 40 from left side and 50 from top position. This is the output of program number 4, that is visible on page number 98. Now come to page number 99. On 99 page number, exercise part is given. So first exercise question, that is true and false. The top margin attribute specifies the left margin in pixels. It is false. So first output, first result, it is false. Second, the text parameter specifies the default color of any plain text. It is again false. It is not default color. And third, the background attributes allows you to insert an image as a background in the HTML document. It is again false, because the background attribute will define the image. So it is true. It is true because background will define the image. It is true. If it is BG color, then it is false. So first answer is false, second is false, and third is true. Now come to the next part, that is on page number 99, line break. Line break always be used with a tag, that is BR, and it is which type of tag? It is of empty tag, that will never be closed. If you are looking on page number 95, see the program number 5. In program number 5, within the paragraph, read down. What is the meaning of P? P represents paragraph. In paragraph, line is written, Palvi is my name, afterward BR is given. It means after Palvi, it will go to the next line. I am writing the computer books. Afterward, again BR is there, it will go to the next line. It is the line break. And again it is written, this is my first CBSE book. It will go to third line. So this is the use of line break. The text will move to the next line automatically after giving the BR tag. Next is horizontal rule. What is horizontal rule? Horizontal rule is a tag that will define the straight line. It will define a ruling line in a straight line form, like this. So this tag can be represented by tag HR. There are 6 elements, 5-6 elements are there. For that, 5 elements are given. First element is size, second is width, third is color, fourth is shade, and fifth one is align. Size, width, color, fourth is no shade, and fifth one attribute that is given, that is alignment. So what is the value of size? HR size is any specific value. Size can be any value in numeric form. It can be 10, 20, 30, whatever you want to give. That is the value of size. And what is size? It specifies the height. It specifies the height of horizontal line. Line means how much length it will take. Next is width. Width will represent the page percentage. Like I am writing HR, width is equal to 70%. So what it will do? If 100% space is there, then it will leave 15% from this side and 15% from this side. It is 70% rest part. That is the concept of width. Third is color. What is the color of horizontal rule line? Suppose I am writing HR color equal to red. So the line which will be displayed, it will be of red color. Fourth attribute, if you don't want to give shade, then you will write HR no shade. No shade will remove the shade from a line. It will not display any shade within a program. And alignment contains the position of text. It will be displayed in left, right, or center position. 3 types of alignments are possible in HR alignment tag. So it is about your HR tag. In example 6 and 7 it is given. If you see the example number 6 on page number 100, see the alignment is right, width is 90% and color is green. So what will be the output? The output will be here 3 HR are used. First is general HR, no any attribute. So simple line will be displayed. Afterwards, second HR contains size is equal to 30. It will take the space of 30 pixels. Afterward, third HR contains alignment. It will be displayed from right side. Width is 90%. What is the meaning of 90% right side? So it will leave the space 10% this side and it will cover from right side whole space. It is 90%. It is the width part. And color of line will be of green. This is the output of example number 6. Rest part we will do in next video. Students, if you are facing any problem, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number, that is 999118890. Thank you. Have a nice day for this session. We will meet in next session with next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.